Hi, we're going to look at a bit more content stuff, and it's going to be two parts. One part is going to be about creating some templates, and the other part is going to be looking at interactive elements. So I'm going to create a new document, and I always go to create a file. And for the last few years, it's been actually kind of tricky to get these fancy templates going, and it made it a lot easier in the last year. So there's lots of these different possible ones you can use if you want to. Different templates, and I think they set things out nicely. I typically just start with the basic one, and then I can add in other elements if I want to. So the basic page again has some stuff kind of pre-done for you, but you can replace anything you want. You can type anything you want. These other things are called elements, and you can actually edit them. And it's got like a question, attention, jumbo, and you can preview them as well. In fact, you'll be asked to preview before you insert them. And you can put whatever you want in here. So if I preview, it's going to look at this little call out as a whatever you want it to do in there, and I can say insert. But those elements are also available at any time you want to put them in anywhere else on your page. We're just going to find a little piece of blank page here. There's all these other ones over here. So if I click on this, there's all these elements. Okay, so these elements include an accordion, and you can play with those, and I'll show you some in a second. An accordion, I'm going to close that one for a second, and elements. There's these tabs, click and reveal, call out, timeline, stylized quotes, flip cards, carousel, and hotspot. So there's tons of different elements to be available there. I'm just going to show you some of those in a second. So some of the elements we put in here are these accordions, if you like, a noun, and then we can have a whatever. And so there's a little bit of clicking on here to make things move out. There's a click and reveal, what is a noun, and it says learn more, and it pops up whatever you want in here. Or even we can do flip cards if you want to. So these are some of the interactive elements, and they're easy to edit afterwards. They didn't used to be easy to edit, and now they're quite easy to edit and change. So we can put in whatever we want on these. So this accordion one, I can click on it and I can edit any of the pieces of the accordion. So what I had written down in the accordion tab, title, and the content shows up underneath. And you can change whatever you want. What is a noun? And we can hit preview and we'll see what they say. We'll see what the students see, okay? And same thing here, the click and reveal. If we want to edit it, we're just going to click on here and we can edit it and change things. And I just pasted a picture in here. I went straight through and I found a picture and I copied and pasted the picture in here. So it's pretty cool stuff. So these are some of the elements and some of the cool things you can do with templates on your documents.